Hey everyone, welcome to this video about OpenSTEF. In this video I will tell you what OpenSTEF is and how you can start using it. OpenSTEF is an open source Python package that you can use to make energy forecasts, which means that if you have any energy time series, you can make a prediction of the future with OpenSTEF, for at most a few days ahead. OpenSTEF is made to be very modular and flexible, so you can adapt it to your use case as you wish. And it provides multiple automated machine learning pipelines, and you can choose the one that works best for your case. It is also owned by the Linux Foundation, which means that this is completely open source and it will also remain this way in the future. Let's check out the GitHub page. Here we see the GitHub page of OpenSTEF. Not only is all the source code available here, but there's also a link to the documentation. Here you can find instructions of how to install OpenSTEF for your Python installation. In addition, there's also learning material. Let's check out Intro to Energy Forecasting. In the Intro to Energy Forecasting section, you can find out what exactly is energy forecasting and how OpenSTEF handles this behind the scenes. There are multiple sections you can see here on the left, going through the basics, looking through the models of OpenSTEF and what the purpose of each one is, checking out, for example, Beam, which you can use to analyze your results afterwards, or go into very advanced deep learning models such as the foundation models, which have recently been added. In the guide section, you can find step-by-step instructions for common OpenSTEF tasks. There are also several quick starts and examples on the documentation. I hope this video got you interested in using OpenSTEF. If it did, please make sure to join the community meetings. They are once every 4 weeks and they are free to join by anyone. You can introduce yourself and ask questions there. To add yourself to the community mailing list, you can send an empty mail to this mail address. If you are on the community mailing list, you will get all the community updates as well as the invites to the community meetings and the co-coding sessions. I hope to see you during one of the community meetings. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.